In this video I will show you 10 ways to get that extra income that will help you achieve your dreams. Before you start, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to keep up to date with new videos. Get an extra paycheck every month. Sounds good? Whether you're saving to buy a house, planning a wedding, trying to pay off debt, or just looking for ways to pass the time, earning extra money month to month can go a long way. Your day job may help you pay for the essentials. But having an extra job can make all the difference. It will give you the financial freedom you've always wanted. So here are the best ways to earn extra money every month. The importance of learning how to earn extra money with a weekend or flexible job. Having an extra job is a very good idea to generate passive income. When you calculate the cost of rent, food, and transportation, you may realize that after paying off your debts, you will barely have any extra money left over. So having a second weekend or flexible job allows you to earn extra money to have the freedom to pursue your dreams and reduce any financial worries. Let's delve into ways to earn extra money each month. 1. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of the best ways to earn extra money. This business model allows you to sell a product directly to the customer without having to take care of any inventory. In addition, your suppliers not only manage the inventory for you, but also ship it directly to the customer. Therefore, your main efforts should go towards promotion and customer service. So if you already have some marketing experience and want an extra job where you can show your skills, dropshipping is your best option. How to make extra money with a dropshipping business. To start a dropshipping business, think about what you are passionate about. Do you love to decorate your home? You can sell home decor products. Maybe you are obsessed with fashion. Then, you can start your own clothing and accessories store. Do you love makeup? You can sell beauty products and grow an audience that follows your makeup tutorials. There are plenty of money-making business ideas out there. Just find yours. Dropshipping is a great second job to start earning extra money on weekends or whenever you want. How much money can you make with an online store? It depends on how much effort you put into your business and marketing. You can earn extra income of a couple of €1,000 or much more than an extra salary. 2. Making extra money as a freelance writer. One of the best ways to make money from home is to become a freelance writer. The best freelance jobs like this allow you to make extra money without investment. And the best thing is that you decide how much time you want to dedicate to it. You can have a contract with 1 or 2 clients, making this activity your weekend job, or take it more seriously and try to get more clients. The secret to success as a freelance writer is to charge according to the value of your articles. Most freelance writers charge very little money, resulting in a grueling and low-paying job. So don't hesitate to charge what you think is right for you. How to make extra money as a freelance writer. In this type of extra work, a freelance writer can earn between $500 and $3,000 per month, depending on what the rate per article is and how many articles he can produce in his spare time. However, you can also try platforms like Fiverr, Craigslist or Upwork, as it will be easier to find your first clients on those websites. 3. Make extra money with affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing is one of those extra money-making ideas that can make you a lot of money or none at all. It's not just about finding the right product to promote, but also the right brand to partner with. How much extra money can you make as an affiliate? It depends on the product you are selling and the affiliate network you use. For example, if you were an affiliate marketer for a tech company like Shopify, you could get up to $2,000 for each merchant you refer. Definitely enough to make an extra income. 4. Weekend projects and work on the network. One of the most popular online businesses are the extra weekend or flexible schedule jobs that you can find online. How to make extra money with projects. One week you could be designing wedding invitations for a client and the next week helping someone with their company's social media. The type of projects you work on could vary drastically. But if you love variety and changing things up, this activity can be perfect for earning extra money on the weekends or when you have the time. With this extra work you can earn between $50 and $2,000 or more per month, depending on the work you do and the platform you use. Tip to earn extra money on platforms like Fiverr: if you are just starting out, ask a friend to hire your services and leave you a good review after completing the project. This will allow you to have a high rating, which in turn will help you get your next clients. Without a rating, it may be difficult for a client to trust you enough to give you a chance. 5. Earn extra money as a blogger. Creating a blog is one of the best examples of extra jobs to get a bonus at the end of the month. The best thing is that it allows you to earn extra money while writing about something you are passionate about. You can monetize your blog in several ways, such as affiliate links or sponsored posts. For example, how much extra money do you make with a blog? At first, nothing. But some bloggers who make it past the first few years start making enough extra money to quit their job and become a digital nomad. Pro tip: if you are passionate about writing, create an online store that you can monetize and add a blog as part of your content marketing. This will allow you to start monetizing your asset before you have built an audience. Also, the combination of content and commerce is very powerful. As your blog grows, you will be able to launch ads to monetize your blog traffic and get even more sales. If you publish regular, quality content, it's easier to earn extra income. 6. Earn extra money on weekends with online courses. If you are looking for extra money making jobs, why not try educational content? This job requires some research, time, and marketing skills, but if you love teaching, this is the best way to generate extra money. What can I do to make extra money with educational content? Are there topics that are really popular right now that you know a lot about? Did you find a popular topic that there isn't enough information about? Monetize these opportunities by creating content. You can publish books on Amazon or sell online courses on Udemy, for example. It depends on the niche, your marketing skills and other factors. But a side job like this can generate you a few €1,000 per month if you create different pieces of content, ebooks, courses. The best thing, you can generate extra money while helping other people. 7. Generate extra money as an Instagram influencer. Another option to get extra money is to become an Instagram influencer. More and more companies are investing in influencer marketing, so take the opportunity to earn extra money with this job. How can I make extra money as an influencer? Maybe you have a really good fashion sense, or you can bake amazing cakes. In any case, you can monetize your Instagram account in several ways: sponsored posts, Instagram takeovers, or selling a product on your website. Even if you don't like being in the spotlight, you can build an Instagram account around your dog or your photos. An average influencer charges between $200 to $500 per post. Tip for making extra money as an influencer on Instagram: be consistent. Be consistent in the type of content you post, how often you post it, and when you post. 8. Extra income as an assistant. The best extra jobs have one thing in common: they're in booming demand. And this is precisely why becoming a virtual assistant may be just what you need to earn extra income. A virtual assistant is an assistant who can help with administrative tasks, social networking, and more. How to earn extra money as a virtual assistant? Most virtual assistants exchange their time for money, so you can get a limit on how many hours of work you can do each week. You can choose to set a total monthly income or get paid by the hour. Some earn minimum wage, while others can earn up to €35 per hour, depending on their skills and experience. Trick to earn extra money as a virtual assistant: when starting this job online, you can find clients on popular websites such as Upwork. However, it is possible to get better results working on your own as an independent contractor. Getting started may be a bit more difficult as you will need to find clients, but you could earn more money this way. You can join popular Facebook groups for businesses or online retailers to offer your services. 9. Sell photos if you need extra money. If you have a camera and some basic skills on photo editing applications, photography can become your second job to earn extra money. How to earn extra money as a photographer? You can sell your photos to local publications, such as your local newspaper or blog. Where can I upload my content so I can earn extra money with my photos? Sites like Foap allow you to sell your phone photos on their platform and you can earn money with each photo you sell. You can even look for clients to venture into wedding photography, pet photography, or product photography. If you sell your photos online, you can earn an extra couple of hundred or €1,000 a month. With wedding photography, you could earn a couple of €1,000 or more per event. 10. Extra weekend or part-time jobs. The best weekend or part-time jobs include walking dogs, babysitting, working in a bar, being a receptionist, and so on. Although you can also find extra jobs within your own industry. Maybe you work in marketing full-time and start a job on the weekends managing a company's social media. The only downside is that these types of extra weekend jobs don't scale as well as an online business would. That is, your total earnings are capped. Most part-time jobs usually hover around minimum wage. Considering that 58% of the population goes into debt to make ends meet, an extra paycheck can help make your financial situation better. Earning extra money each month will provide you with comfort and security, so getting an extra job on weekends or at a time that works best for you is your best chance to live life the way you want to live it. And with a little more money in your pocket, there's nothing stopping you from making your dreams come true. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope some of these ideas will help you generate extra income to improve your financial situation. Achieving financial freedom is a path that only a brave few dare to walk. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel so YouTube will notify you when there is a new video. I also recommend you to watch other videos of the channel where I teach other business ideas and stories of great investors.